Incorrect injection administration technique can lead to the severe complication. As a certified healthcare professional, I'll show you the right technique. So let's begin. In today's video, we'll learn step by step how to properly administer an intravenous injection. First, select a suitable vein. Once the vein is identified, apply a tourniquet to make it more prominent and easier to see. Make sure the tourniquet is applied in a way that it can be released quickly if needed. If the vein is still not clearly visible, you may gently tap over the area. This can help the vein become more prominent. Next comes a very important step, that is sterilization. Many people make a common mistake here. Repeatedly rubbing the same area back and forth with the same cotton can actually reduce sterility. The correct method is to use cotton with an antiseptic solution such as Hexisol and clean the area in a single direction with one swipe, then discard it. Use a new cotton each time and repeat the process. This should be done 3 to 4 times using a single direction wipe. Now it's time to insert the needle. For IV injection, the needle is usually inserted at an angle of about 15 to 20 degrees. After inserting the needle, gently pull back the syringe plunger to check for blood return. If you see blood, it confirms that the needle is correctly placed inside the vein. If no blood appears, do not push the injection, as the medication may go into the surrounding tissue and cause swelling or complications. Once proper placement is confirmed, administer the injection slowly, because pushing the medication too quickly may cause dizziness, vomiting, or other adverse reaction in the patient. So always proceed with caution. If multiple injections are required, cannulation is the preferred method. In some cases, a butterfly needle can also be used, but for admitted patients who requires repeated injections, using a cannula is the safest and most effective option. So guys, that's all for today's video. I hope this demonstration has helped you clearly understand the proper technique of IV injection. Thank you for watching the video till the end. See you again in the next educational video.